Hi guys! A clean and organized closet makes things easier to find and saves time when we are in a rush. Many a times the closet gets messy when we are looking for that one particular shade of black leggings. So it is very important to maintain an organized closet. How you organize your closet depends upon the size of the wardrobe, the space you have and the kind of life you lead. Here are the 5 tips that I apply to organize my closet. Time is ticking, so let's start. Tidying up is an everyday activity. Don't let any space get so messy that it becomes a task you don't want to deal with. Make it a habit to clean and declutter every few days. This will take a lot less time and effort. Stacking items of silk and polyester makes them slump. Hangers of multiple colors and different sizes gives an untidy look. Not grouping clothes as per the usage gives a non-uniform look. Stacking too many items makes them fall and can look messy. The first step is to empty the closet and clean it. Empty the closet until you find a safety pin lying somewhere in there. The first thing I want to do before going any further is to change the incandescent light with a white light. I feel the white light is ideal for a closet as it lets you see the true colors of the garments because the yellow lights add a yellow tinge to the colors. I run the vacuum on the floor and also use the crevice tool to reach the corners. This helps remove any bits and pieces of fabrics that may have fallen out of the garments. After a thorough cleaning of the closet, I will go through all the clothes, and if I come across anything I haven't worn for a long time or which doesn't make me happy, then it's time to let it go. I ask myself, does this make me confident? If the answer is no, then it goes in one of the 3 boxes: discard, donate or sell. The easiest part is to decide what to discard. I will discard the clothes which are stained, ripped, worn out or which has lost its shape. Now, when I have won half the battle, it's time to keep things back in the closet. To give the closet a neater look, uniformity is very important. So I have used hangers of the same color and type. At some places I have color coordinated the hangers. I have used black hangers for my clothes and white hangers for my younger ones. Simply changing the hangers gives the closet a neater look. I have stored some of the footwear in the lower shelves while I have stored some of my footwears in transparent shoe boxes for visibility. I store my pair of boots in the closet, and to avoid the top to flop over, I use dry glass bottles to keep it upright. This helps to avoid permanent crease marks caused due to flopping. I have used a couple of storage bins. Using storage bins will give a very neat and tidy look. I will use fabric storage bins in my closet. You can experiment with multiple colors for the storage bins, but since my closet is full of colorful clothes, I decided to use subtle colors here. I will use the storage bins to store items like bed sheets, kids' blankets and some extra towels which are not used daily, and so I have placed them on the upper shelves. I have stacked thick items like denims, sweaters and some of my cotton clothes as these items will not slump and fall. Also, it will be easy to locate each item in a stack. In a small storage bin, I have stored the winter hats and mittens as small mittens are always hard to find in the closet. This will save my time. Stacking the small clothes of my kid is difficult and it tends to get messy too soon, so I use storage bins to give it a neat look. I stored my kid's pants and leggings in one storage bin and have stored her t-shirts in another. Storing the small clothes this way is always better than stacking them, as it's easy to find and pick out without messing up the whole lot. I have used drawer dividers to store small items like socks, innerwear and lingerie, and I have put one on the top of another due to space crunch. Still, it looks neat and is convenient to use. I have quite a few clothes of my kid which are too big for her. Most of these were gifted to her, so I decided to use the suitcase to store them. Once in a while I can just open the suitcase and check as everything is in one place rather than storing them everywhere in the closet. Next to the suitcase goes the diaper box. Storing it in the closet helps me to keep a tab on the diapers. Suitcases take up a lot of storage space, so I use it to store some of my Indian wears because I wear them only once or twice a year. You can also use it to store seasonal clothes, extra towels, bed sheets, blankets or mementos in it. In two of the bins, I have stored the active wears for easy access. I have kept a plastic storage bin with lid to store the clothes which needs ironing. This helps me to just pick up the basket and get them all to the ironing board. Next to it goes my backpack, which I carry everywhere I go. I use the stacking storage bins to store the in-between clothes, as hanging the clothes which are semi-dirty gives the closet a messy look. I have used the dead space between the floor and the hung clothes to store a step stool to reach the upper shelves. Hooks can create extra space and help to declutter. Use hooks on the empty space on the walls or the inside of the closet door to hang scarves, bags, belts or necklaces. Make use of every space available in the closet, but don't make it a dumping yard. Remember, keeping your closet neat and tidy is an ongoing process. You cannot do it once in a few months and sit and relax and enjoy the visual treat. And remember the golden rule, less is more. Let me know if you have liked the video by clicking the like button. Do comment if you have something in your mind and consider subscribing to my channel.